and I'm coming at you live from Oaklivia Newsroom with some breaking news. This is hour 22 of our 24-hour Dino Watch, and the excitement is growing. A team of elite Toronto scientists have recently discovered a method of de-extinction through reconstructing a creature's genome at none other than Sunnybrook Hospital, and have now successfully brought back the Triceratops dinosaur. So now the question stands, will the Triceratops evolve or will it dissolve? Let's tune in to Dr. Katie Gorin in the lab for more information.
Thanks, Olivia, for that introduction. Hi, my name is Dr. Gorin, and here at the Sunnybrook Lab, I am one of the many skilled scientists who have discovered a method of de-extinction and successfully brought back the Triceratops dinosaur. This experiment started precisely 2 years ago when my boss, Dr. Papaponamu, embarked on a paleontologist's journey to Alberta. In Alberta, the paleontologist discovered a large fossil in which they found tissue. This tissue consisted of the fossil's skin, fur, and bone marrow. And this fossil was a large Triceratops. Bringing the tissue back to the lab, we discovered a miracle. Due to the harsh weather conditions throughout the various years that the tissue had been under the ground, the cells were no longer viable. However, the nuclei inside the cells were very much intact. Therefore, we decided to transfer the nuclei inside of the Triceratops cells into African elephant eggs. We chose the African elephant because the Triceratops and the elephant are very similar in size. So, in order to do this, we harvested the African elephant eggs, then removed the nucleus from the eggs and replaced it with the nuclei inside of the Triceratops. Then, the egg was placed into an African elephant, which acted as a surrogate mother, and developed normally. However, due to many complications, a lot of these experiments led to miscarriages or production of offspring that was non-viable. In fact, Katniss, it was the very first Triceratops to ever be born normally and successfully. And she is the dinosaur that we are witnessing on our 22-hour Dinosaur Watch right now. Alright, that's all from Sunnybrook Labs. Back to you, Olivia.
Thank you, Dr. Gorin, for that explanation. Before we go on scene with Edna Mode, let me tell you some background information on the Triceratops. The Triceratops was a plant-eating dinosaur that lived in the Cretaceous period. It is perhaps one of the most famous dinosaurs and was on the smaller side, being about 8 meters long and only 3 meters tall, making it the perfect subject for this experiment. Its diet consisted of low plants such as ferns and palms, and it lived mostly in Western Canada and other states such as Montana and Wyoming. Back 65 million years ago, the Triceratops was preyed upon heavily by the T-Rex, as they lived within the same ecosystem. Many scientists believe that the Triceratops would use its horns for defense against predators, including the T-Rex. Some scientists also believe that the ever-popular horns were actually a sexually selected characteristic and were very important in mating practices. Now, over to environmentalist Alice Gore to learn more about the Triceratops' environmental habits. Take it away, Al.
Oh, hi, Olivia. Sorry about that. I was just feeding my Venus flytrap. Anyway, hi. My name is environmentalist Alice Gore, and my team and I are in charge of the environmental aspects of releasing Katniss into the wild. We decided to release Katniss in a conservation area in the Amazon jungle because the Amazon rainforest is a diverse environment which would provide her with a better chance for survival and adapting successfully to her new environment. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world and is 5.5 million square kilometers. The rainforest contains 10% of the world's known species and 20% of the birds. It is also home to 40,000 different plant species and over 2.5 million insects. Out of these, the species that are most predatory are the cougar, the jaguar, and the anaconda. This environment is amazing for the Triceratops for two reasons. One, the 40,000 plant species give Katniss the amazing ability to have readily available all the low plants and ferns that she needs. Since she lived in the Cretaceous period, us environmentalists are not 100% sure on the different species of ferns or plants that she liked to consume. Therefore, releasing her into this environment with 40,000 different plants would give her a variety of choices and help us assume what she likes to eat. In addition, Triceratops were largely preyed upon by the T-Rex that were alive. Therefore, the jaguar, the cougar, or the anaconda could act as a new predatory species for the Triceratops, which would later allow us to put more Triceratops into the Amazon jungle and make it an imbalanced environment where it was not just Triceratops rule. Now, you may be asking yourself, why did we not release Katniss back into her original environment, like Alberta? Well, Alberta has had many man-made and natural changes to its environment since the Cretaceous period. Therefore, releasing Katniss into that environment could be detrimental for both her or the species living there. Releasing her into the Amazon would give her a better chance of survival and help us scientists and environmentalists study her new behavioral and eating patterns. Anyway, thank you very much. I'll pass it on to Edna Mode. Bye, guys. Good girl, Katniss. Good girl. Eat your lunch. Go ahead. Get greens. Go get your greens. Oh, hey there. Thanks, Alice. I'm just following Katniss's progress. We've set up a couple cameras in the area. So far, she's doing fabulous, our little girl. She's eating all her greens. She's eating her breakfast, her lunch, all the little ferns in the area. So far, no cougars or jaguars have attacked her. So everything is all good on the Katniss front. Also, the ecosystem. Nothing's changed, which isn't very surprising, adding one herbivore to millions of species. It is perfect. She is doing excellent. Everything is great in Katniss's world. All right, I'm going to send you back to Olivia. I'll keep you guys posted.
Well, there you have it, folks. Jurassic Park is no longer a fantasy. We now have a real live dinosaur roaming around the Amazon jungle. How well this dinosaur survives is all up to evolution, so may the odds be ever in Katniss's favor. I'm Olivia Bano, and this is Oaklivia News. Good night, Corona.